in the quiet heart of Cappadocia, where ancient stone holds the memory of centuries. A sacred ritual begins. This is the Sema ceremony in Cappadocia, the spiritual practice of the whirling dervishes. It is not a performance. It is not entertainment. It is devotion in motion. The roots of this ceremony reach back to the 13th century, to the teachings of Mevlana Celaleddin Rumi, the great Sufi mystic, poet, and seeker of divine love. Rumi believed that everything in the universe moves in circles. Planets revolve, seasons return, atoms spin, and so too, the human soul. The ceremony begins in silence. The dervishes enter wearing long black cloaks, symbolizing the ego, the earthly self. When the cloaks are removed, white garments appear beneath, representing purity and spiritual rebirth. Upon their heads rests a tall felt hat. It symbolizes the tombstone of the ego. Then, the music begins. The haunting sound of the knee flute, soft percussion, sacred rhythm. Slowly, the dervishes begin to turn. Their right hand opens toward the heavens, receiving divine grace. Their left hand faces the earth, sharing that grace with humanity. They spin not to impress, but to transcend. Each rotation is a prayer, each breath, remembrance. The Sema is a journey, from the self to surrender, from separation to unity. In recognition of its profound spiritual and cultural meaning, UNESCO has declared the whirling dervish tradition an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Here in Cappadocia, within historic stone walls once walked by travelers of the Silk Road, this ancient ritual continues, timeless, sacred, alive. To witness the Sema is not simply to watch, it is to reflect, to slow down, to remember that the universe itself is turning, and that perhaps so are we.